So let's talk about cold processed soap. Cold processed soap is the act of mixing fixed oils such as coconut oil and olive oil with an alkali, sodium hydroxide, or better known as lye. The result is a chemical process known as soapification. Soapification is basically when the composition of your oils change with the help of lye to create your bar of soap. Now I know when I first read over ingredients for making my own soap, the lye really scared me a bit. I had to come to the understanding that lye was something I had to add to it to make soap. You need it. So we're teaching you how to do it carefully so you don't have to be fearful of it. Just cautious and take the precautions that we've talked about. The other benefit in making cold processed soap is that it's very easy to control the ingredients that go into your soap. So it's basic ingredients in this recipe. It also makes it easy to get good quality ingredients, which you want, because the better ingredients you make, the longer lasting the soap is and the better it is for your skin. The downfall is that due to the chemical process, there are serious safety considerations you have to take into account. Not all oils are created equal. So your fragrance oils or essential oils or your colorants are something you really want to make sure you're getting good quality and knowing your brand, because not all of them will hold up to the cold process. That limits the type of design options you can do for your bar. Like you see all these fancy different options. That's not something you're gonna be able to do with this bar to a point. Same thing for the colors. I'm very picky about the things I put in my soap, so a lot of those pretty colors are not things that are gonna go into my bar soap. Now that is left up to you, but you just need to know what you're putting in so that it's going to work with this soap process. So the other thing is patience. This cold process does take a little bit of time. So once we're done doing what we do here tonight, your bar soap is going to sit for anywhere from 24 to 48 hours to solidify, and then you're going to cut the soap, and after that it's going to take anywhere from 4 to 6 weeks before your bar is ready to use. That is called the curing time. So let's get our safety stuff, because we are going to be using lye next, and we want to make sure we're safe. So remember your goggles or eye covering. You're going to want a mask, your rubber gloves, and I'm going to put on long sleeves, and make sure you are in a well-ventilated area. I'm actually going to take part of my process outside because I feel safer doing that on top of a piece of newspaper where I can easily clean up and I don't have to worry about my kids or something spilling. So I will be back with that process next.